Get acquainted with the 2018 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, electronic stability control. Your family deserves the best in safety and comfort. Take the Honda Odyssey out for a test drive today.